Hi, this is Yuna from PaperTube. Today I'm gonna talk about how to use PaperTube and which features are ready to make your papertubing so special. Before we start, let me give you the quick intro on PaperTube. As you might know, PaperTube is a video creation tool for those who have their own content to deliver in a casual lecture form. But if you don't see yourself as a lecturer, don't worry. The content can be anything. It can be about yourself, your favorite movie or book, or your recipe, or your drawing. You decide. So, this is the main splash of PaperTube. PaperTube is available only on iOS. Once you sign up, you will see this main page. So let's see. It says select your material. Yes, you can either use a blank notebook to write on or use your own material. And in both ways, you must have the encoded paper and the smart pen to write. Do you have them? If you don't have them, visit Neo Lab Store, shop.neosmartpen.com. So, what is the blank notebook? Let's click this. When you click the use a blank notebook, you will see this. It captures your notes and also your face. To show your writing or drawing in the screen, you must connect your Neo Smart Pen first. Turn on the Bluetooth, check your network, make sure your pen is on, and finally touch the connect button on the app screen. Connected? Yeah. And now it's your showtime. Touch the start button on top of the screen or on your paper controller. Wait, what is the paper controller? This is the paper controller. You could print out the paper controller on encoded paper in your home, or you might have received one already. Unlike to the app screen menu, paper controller has more variety in its video controlling. More than just starting and ending the recording. So fine, let's see how this can make your recording easier and fun. Such as you can switch the main camera like this, face view or the note view, and also even turn off the face camera like this. You can also select your pen type, the highlighter or the normal pen, and also the size and the colors are adjustable. So let's select the thick blue normal pen. See? Thick blue normal pen. And now you can undo or redo or erase all. There's more. Sound effects. So to make your contents more engaging, you can add the sound effect by touching the each buttons. So quick and easy. No post-editing is needed. Everything happens at once. Cool? So when you feel your recording is finished, then touch the finish button on top of the screen with your finger, or touch the end button on the paper controller with your pen. So this was to explain how to use the PaperTube, especially the blank notebook. Next time, we're gonna explain and show you how to use your own material to lecture on using PaperTube. Thanks for watching. Bye!